There are people who walk into your life quietly and leave even quieter. People whose presence feels like a soft breeze, gentle, warm, unnoticed until it's gone. And sometimes the hardest part is not losing them, but it's living with everything they never said and everything you wish you had. This is a story about that kind of love, soft, unspoken, half real, yet unforgettable. The beginning. She didn't expect him, not in the way people expect sunsets or rain, things that are predictable. He came into her life quietly, like a soft evening that slowly turns into something beautiful without asking for attention. He had a kind smile, the kind that didn't try too hard, and eyes that looked like they'd seen too much but still believed in the good things. Their conversation started simply small hellos, short replies, and then little things that didn't feel important, not at least in the moment at first, started feeling so. And slowly, the messages became longer, the laughter became softer, and the silence between them became comfortable instead of awkward. She didn't fall all at once, she fell in pieces. In the way he listened, the way he remembered small things, the way his voice lightened when he said her name. And he wasn't obvious, but he wasn't distant either. He replied fast. Asked her how her day was. He stayed up late because she couldn't sleep. There was something, not friends, not lovers, but something warm enough to confuse the heart. The almost love. There was a moment, a small, quiet moment, when she realized she liked him. It wasn't dramatic, it wasn't fireworks. It was the way she smiled every time her phone lit up. It was the way her day felt lighter after hearing from him. It was the way she checked her messages twice before replying, just to make sure she didn't sound too interested. She liked him, and she knew he liked her too. Not because he said it, but because he didn't have to. The way he remembered her coffee order, the way he noticed when her voice sounded tired, the way he asked, "Did you eat?" like it was his responsibility. Feelings like that don't happen without meaning, but neither of them said anything. Maybe they were scared, maybe the timing was wrong, or maybe they were waiting for each other to be braver. So, they stayed in that space, that dangerous little space between friendship and something more. Almost love, almost confession, almost. And almost can break your heart more than no ever could. The slow distance. They didn't fall apart suddenly. People rarely do. Distance doesn't mean one in one moment. It happens in small ways. You don't notice it at first, but it hurts. He stopped texting first. She stopped asking why. He replied late. She replied even later. Calls became short. Conversations became dry. And the jokes didn't land the same. It wasn't anger. It wasn't a fight. It was something quieter. A slow drifting, like two boats pulled away by different waves. She missed him, but she didn't say it. He noticed her absence, but he didn't ask why. Both of them waited for the other one to fix, but neither of them did, and the silence grew louder. There were nights when she typed long messages and then deleted them. There were days when he checked her profile and pretended he didn't care. They still existed in each other's life, just not in the same way. The unsaid feeling. He never told her she meant more than a friend. He never told her she made his day softer. He also never told her he saved her pictures because they made him smile. She never told him she waited for his messages. She never told him her heart skipped a beat when she saw the notification on her phone. And she never told him he felt like home in a world where she felt lost. Two hearts full of love, full of fear, both hoping, both doubting, but both silent. Maybe he thought she'd find someone better. Maybe she thought he didn't choose her because she wasn't enough. But the truth is rarely dramatic. Sometimes two good people just don't talk at the right time. Sometimes love exists but doesn't know how to speak. Unsaid feelings, they don't disappear. They settle in your chest like quiet aches, like memories you don't want to touch, like what ifs that grow heavier with time. The letting go. Letting go didn't happen in a moment. It wasn't a tearful goodbye or a dramatic ending. It was gentle, it was painful, and it was quiet. It was her sleeping without checking her phone. It was him realizing he didn't know how her day went. It was the slow acceptance that they were not almost anymore. They, they were nothing. He moved on first, not because he stopped caring, but because life pulled him away. She healed slowly, quietly, in ways nobody noticed. She didn't tell the world she was hurting. She didn't post quotes or sad songs. She learned to live without him. There were days she wondered if he ever missed her, and there were nights he wondered if she ever waited for him. But they never said it. Not then, not later, not ever. The memory. Some people leave and you forget them, and some leave and a part of you never returns to who you were before. He was that kind of person, not the love of her life, not her soulmate, not her almost lover. It was just a soft story that stayed unfinished, a quiet lesson, a warm memory she didn't regret. And sometimes that is enough. Because healing, it's not always about forgetting. Healing is learning to remember without breaking. And that is the story of things they never said. If you want to keep listening to such stories, please like, share, and subscribe so I can do this for you all day and then post new videos every day. Thank you.